I gave the new Play Octopus format a few months like I said I would, and I have officially sent the tablet back after 2 years of use. Let's discuss. Alright, so some quick overview. On January 6th, Play Octopus sent out an email about some changes that they were going to make. And it said all tablet rewards will apply exclusively to Uber Journey rides connected to Journey TV. Per trip rate is increasing from 1 point to 1.5 points, and the classic Octopus experience will remain available for entertainment only and will no longer earn point rewards for gameplay or other activity. So this meant no more points for giving Lyft rides and no more points for when a rider interacted with the tablet. Previously, we had earned 1 point for every ride that we gave on both Uber and Lyft, and we earned 0.5 point for every time a rider played a game. And now again, it's 1.5 points for every Uber ride that you give. So for drivers like me that multi-platform, this was a negative change, but for drivers that drive primarily for Uber, this was a positive change. Last year, I averaged about 132 points per month, which equated to a $25 payout every 2 months, $150 for the year, some solid passive income. And this year, after the change to rewarding 1.5 points for only Uber rides, I was averaging about 74 points per month from January to March, compared to the 132 points per month last year. And that 74 point average would equate to a $25 payout every 3.5 months, and this would have been $100 for the year, which would have been $50 less than last year, but $100 is still pretty solid passive income. But in the last 2 weeks, I have given just 7 Uber rides compared to 53 rides on Lyft. That's only 10.5 points earned with Play Octopus, which would earn on average 21 points per month. This would equate to one $25 payout for the entire year. Not worth it at all. And in the last 2 months, on the Mondays and Tuesdays that I drive, I am giving 85% Lyft rides. The demand for Uber here in Minnesota, at least for me on Mondays and Tuesdays, is insanely low. Again, 2 weeks ago, I gave just 4 rides in nearly 9 hours of online time. And then this week, I gave just 3 rides on over 10 hours of online time. And the only reason I still go online with Uber is to maximize my possibility of receiving requests. And those few rides that I give with Uber are still pretty lucrative here with our guaranteed rate structure. So that's the only reason that I stay online with them. But again, for me, after the change that Play Octopus made, especially as a primary Lyft driver, it makes no sense to have the tablet anymore. I'm not going to give them free advertising on my Lyft rides. Also, I'm kind of just happy to be rid of it. I don't have to worry about it making sound anymore. I have to mute it at the beginning of every single day, and also on all Uber rides, it would just automatically unmute, another annoyance. So again, I officially sent mine back this week, and if you're in my situation, a primary Lyft driver, and you want to send yours back, all you have to do is open the Play Octopus app, select account, scroll down and select return tablet. Then you'll select a reason for returning your tablet, and then they will email you a FedEx return label. I still have my original box, so I was able to ship it back using that. But if you don't have the original box, they say to just use a small box slightly larger than the tablet. So again, this was a brutal change for primary Lyft drivers like myself, and part of me just wanted to send the tablet back right after they made that change. I thought it was a ridiculous change, and I'm glad I sent it back now. Also, I did find an alternative advertising service called Ivy. They don't have any information about how you actually earn on the website, but it's free. I figured I would just try it, so I signed up today. But if any of you have used it, be sure to comment below and let us know about your experience. But what about all of you? How many of you Play Octopus users have sent back your tablet after the change they made? And what about you drivers that are primarily Uber drivers? Have you earned a lot more points? As for me, it was a good run with Play Octopus. In just under 2 years, I earned $300. And I would have liked to continue using the tablet, but the change they made, it makes no sense for me anymore. If you've yet to download the Solo app to help you manage your rideshare business and earn more, our referral link is in the description. We also have a free newsletter, and the link to sign up for that is in the description as well. If you've yet to watch my previous video on my vehicle being serviced at the dealership for almost the entire month of April, be sure to check that one out. Thanks again for watching and drive safe. Thanks.